still. That is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight. Welcome, foolish mortals,
Thank you.
to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. Our tour begins here in this gallery, where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the best view of the four portraits hung above, kindly drag your bodies away from the wall, remain physically distant, and keep your face mask on.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills.
All right, here we go, guys. It may lag. It may lag. Sorry, I ran through the new stuff real quick. Just fun. Thank you.
Do not pull down on the safety bar, please. I will lower it for you.
Sorry I went through that quick, everybody. I wanted to get through because that area usually is bad.
Materialize only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children, please.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los pequeñitos. Y ahora, prepárese.
We find it delightfully unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps, and hot and cold running chills. Shh. Listen.
Time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling formations, swinging weight. They'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.
And just in time, there's a little matter I forgot to mention. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our boots, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
Please exit to your left by stepping away from the cars with your left foot first.
Thank you.
Hurry back. Hurry back. Be sure to bring your death certificate.
Woo! All right, let me